Greetings, my friends. Rehmani here with freedomlifebusiness.com, and I hope all is well with you and yours in health and in spirits. Folks, in a world bustling with endless pursuits, there exists a silent yet profound quest. A quest not for wealth, not for fame, but for the simple, heartfelt joy of making a difference in someone's life. So today, we embark on a journey through the essence of a purposeful existence. One where happiness is not just received, but generously given. Imagine a day just like any other, yet extraordinary in its own right. A day where a simple gesture, a kind word, or a moment of understanding can illuminate someone's world. This isn't just a tale of grand heroic acts. It's the story of unsung heroes amongst us. Those who believe that making someone happy, putting a smile on another's face, and brightening up their day by a little or a lot is a life lived with purpose. In the tapestry of life, each thread of kindness weaves a pattern of heartfelt connections. See, for those who find joy in lifting others, every act of compassion is a step towards fulfilling their purpose. See, it's not about grand gestures. It's about the subtle art of making people feel good about themselves, helping them discover the talents they never knew they had, and guiding them to see the beauty within. There lies a unique satisfaction in witnessing the blooming of confidence, the spark of realization in someone's eye when they uncover their hidden skills. It's about nurturing, guiding, and celebrating the uniqueness of each individual. For the true measure of our journey is not in the milestone we reach, but in the lives we touch, the smiles we create, and the hearts we warm. As the day draws to a close and the world quiets down, let us remember that our most profound achievements may not always be the ones that shine the brightest, but the ones that make the world a little brighter for someone else. In the end, if we have managed to make even one person feel valued, understood, and genuinely happy, then indeed we have lived a life brimming with purpose. While we journey through life, sharing smiles and igniting sparks of self-discovery in others, we also embrace our own path to growth and fulfillment. See, imagine a life where your passion for uplifting others converges with the freedom to create, to live, and to thrive on your own terms. At freedomlifebusiness.com, we not only understand this vision, but live it every day. We've created a space where individuals just like you, driven by purpose and passion, can explore substantial online opportunities. Opportunities that don't just promise success, but align with the very essence of making a meaningful difference. If you're ready to embark on a journey where your drive to inspire and support others meets the empowerment of financial freedom and personal growth, then freedomlifebusiness.com is your next step. Here, you'll discover how to transform your passion into a thriving online venture, all while continuing to spread joy and purpose in every life you touch. Don't let this moment just be another passing through. Seize it, embrace it, and let's make a difference together, both in the lives of others and in the remarkable story of your own life. Visit freedomlifebusiness.com today, and let's begin this extraordinary journey together. Thank you for watching. Always make it a wonderful day, and remember to always go for your dreams, no matter what they are. Bye for now.